board is adjusted. This board is set concave. That means the pucks will all break to the inside. One of the things about polymer boards, they're very hard to set perfectly flat because the polymer always wants to pull on the board like this. And this is the way you want a board set for the most common popular game of shuffleboard called knockoff. However, if you want to play a more traditional game called horse collar, you're going to want this board flat because that game is played scoring to where a right hanger like this was worth 13 points and a left hanger like this was worth 26 points. Well, you can only achieve that on a board that's set perfectly flat. A little difficult to do on the polymer boards, but on the traditional boards, we're going to show you here how you'd set a board flat. Right now, as you see, this paper is a little tight there. If I go underneath here, and I loosen these inside nuts just slightly, and I take this outside nut, and now what I'm doing is I'm pulling those climate adjusters back together, and that's making this board go this way. And as I did that, just slightly, if I come up here now, the paper's still sliding, and I may actually, folks, have to go down to this next climate adjuster down here a little further on the board here and do the same thing here. Loosen this up, take a little bit of tension off, and just take this and put a little pressure on here. Come over here, put a little more pressure here, and if you come over here now and look, this paper's still sliding under there. I can feel a little resistance, but it's still sliding. If I keep going here,
in your center.
Put a little more pressure on it. Now, this paper, when I pull it out, I can barely get it back under there, folks. So it's getting kind of flat. I'll probably go just a little bit more. And now I can pull this paper out. One of the things to always be careful for, though, is that you can't slide this piece of paper under the outside edges because you do not want this board to go convex on you. You don't want to hump.